Preheating your Monogram oven is very important when baking at temperatures above 275 degrees, or when baking items with short cooking times, such as cakes, cookies, biscuits, and other pastries. However, some foods such as meats, poultry, or casseroles require no preheating at all. While preheating, you may notice the bake and broil elements on your Monogram oven cycling on and off. This allows the oven to reach and maintain the desired set temperature. Once the preheating is complete, your Monogram oven will alert you. If you are using a precision cooking mode, simply follow the on-screen instructions. Depending on the recipe, there may be no need to preheat. For some frozen foods, you may be instructed to place the items into the oven before the preheating has completed. Keep in mind that most convection ovens and ranges have a convection conversion or auto recipe conversion feature, which will automatically calculate and adjust the set temperature for better convection cooking performance. When using this feature, there's no need to adjust recipe temperature or time. When switching from an older oven to a newer oven, you may notice slight variations in timing and cooking performance. For the first few uses of your new oven, follow your recipe's suggested times and temperatures, and use the rack positions recommended in the cooking guide section in your owner's manual. If your new oven seems to be cooking too hot or too cold, you may need to adjust the oven's thermostat settings. For further instructions on how to adjust your oven's set temperature, please refer to your owner's manual, our owner support web pages, or our online support videos. Testing the oven's temperature using a store-bought oven thermometer is not recommended. Since the oven's temperature fluctuates to maintain an average set temperature, it could vary from different points within the oven.